Reciprocals. A reciprocal is an inverted or flipped fraction. So example 1, what is the reciprocal of 3/4? So for this example, what we would do is we would flip the fraction. So the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So we would say the reciprocal of this is 4/3. And that would be our final answer. And then therefore, reciprocals multiply with the original fraction to get an answer of 1. So using this example, we have 4/3, which is the reciprocal. And if we multiplied by the 3/4, the original fraction, we would get, these would cancel out, this would cancel out, and then we get 1/1. So we just get 1. So that's how we know we have done the reciprocal correct, because we get the answer of 1. So let's go ahead and look at another example. What is the reciprocal of 2/3? So for this, we would change the denominator to the numerator and numerator to denominator. So we get 3/2. And this would be our final answer. So let's go ahead and look at another example. What is the reciprocal of -9? So we remember that -9 can be rewritten as -9/1. So the reciprocal then would be, as we change the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator, we get -1/9. And this would be our reciprocal of -9. And we can verify this by going -9/1 times -1/9. These would cross out and equal 1, and then we have 2 negative signs, so this is equal to +1. So this checks out. So -1/9 is a reciprocal of -9. So let's do one last example. What is the reciprocal of -1/7? So for this, we would change it into -7/1. And that would be our final answer. Or you could write it as just -7. Either way, in WAMAP, you could write either one and they would be the right answer.